How to get verified on X, previously known as Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. First thing first, make sure your X app is up to date. Now, to get verified on X, open your X app. Here, on top left hand side of your screen, you can see this profile icon, so tap on it. Now, you will see this page, so tap on this profile icon. Now, on top of your screen, right below your profile name, you will see this icon, Get Verified, so tap on it. Now, you will find there two ways to get verified on X. So, one of them is Premium and another is Premium Plus. Premium will cost you around $19 and Premium Plus will cost you around $37. Now, you can simply scroll down to see its functions. These are all the features that you will get. So, after choosing Premium or Premium Plus, click on this starting ad. Now, select whether you want to subscribe monthly or annually. You will get 13% off an annual plan. So after selecting the plan, click on subscribe and pay. Now select your payment option. You can pay via PayPal, credit or debit card or redeem code. So here I will go with credit card. And then simply fill in your card details and then proceed with the payment. After completing the payment, your X account will be successfully verified. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.